What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sneakers and Trims, and we're back in the house with another video. Today we're unboxing the Reebok Workout Ice collaboration with Offspring. Yeah? Here, I must say this is the first Reebok I've had in years. Alright? And it's due to my love and support for Offspring that I purchased these. Size 8 Reebok Workout plus Offspring, yeah. And before I get into the box, I'm going to show you the little accessories that it comes with. So, ice pack, Offspring ice pack, right? It has the Offspring logo in there, the Reebok sign. It's dope. So, love it when sneakers come with an extra something. Also, comes with a cooler. Offspring Reebok cooler, which let me put this down for 1 second. So yeah, basically it's a cooler and pretty dope. And I can use these for the sweetest punch. You know what I'm saying? So big up Offspring with the ice pack and the cooler. Just put that on there. See that? Comes with a little handle. Picnic or something, like it's ideal, you feel me? So yeah, shout out Offspring for that. And also, if you was lucky to get the first 100 pair, it comes with a bag as well that says Offspring Community on it, the Reebok sign and the Offspring logo. So yeah, 3 things coming with the sneakers, you know what I mean? And that's not all, because when you open the box, wow, you get the Offspring Reebok laces as well. Yeah, so shout out them for the details, you get me? Offspring and Reebok on the laces. I haven't done that lace swap yet. I might do it soon. Yeah, so let's get into this now quickly. There's a lot of paper because they're basically suede, so you have to protect them from each other. Otherwise you can cause some sort of marks or something, you know what I mean? But yes people, here we have the Offspring Reebok workouts. As you can see, got the Offspring on the side, on the panel where it would say Reebok usually, and if you can notice the detail that says Offspring Community on the side there. On the back it has a thunderbolt, a lightning bolt. I'm not too sure what that represents, but it looks dope either way. On the tongue you have the Offspring logo, and on this other tongue you have Offspring Community with the Reebok logo, the old school logo that we all love to see. Yeah, so on one side you have Offspring and on the other side you have Reebok, but on both sides you have the community member. The inner sole, pretty dope as well. It has the Offspring logo inside with the Reebok logo, and I must say the detail and quality on these trainers is beautiful, as in like the feel of the material, very buttery. On the bottom also you've got the Offspring logo and the Reebok logo, so yes, big up Offspring and the people that were involved in this campaign. Shout out to all of you guys. I don't know your Instagram names at the moment, so yeah, I can't say what your names are, but shout out to you guys, you get me, for the collaboration and whoever's creativity was involved in this, because yeah man, it's a nice pack, you know what I mean? It comes with lots of bits. That's what it's all about, you know? When you buy a pair of sneakers, you want it to come with a few extras, just complete the purchase, so you just feel like, yes, you know, like, I'm happy about what I spent. And yeah man, I must say they feel really comfortable, yeah? I'm not one to lie. If I don't think it's comfortable, I'll tell you straight, but these trainers are really comfortable. Yeah, also I did say this was a mixed content video, so we're gonna get into Funkos. Look at the dope Funkos I've got Chunk doing the shuffle. I got LeBron from the Space Jam. I got Lil Wayne. I got Data from the Goonies. You know, like Data, man. Come on, everyone knows him. And Sylvester and Tweety from the, oh my days, from the new Star Wars film. But I must say, these two here are my favourites. Chunk and Data. Look at that. Look at the details, it's got a little freckle, everything. My guy's got his little gadgets there. Remember, he's always had the gadgets in the film. So yeah, man. The Goonies pack. I don't know who collects Funko, but I do. I love it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then obviously Lil Wayne, the GOAT. I have to get Lil Wayne, you hear me? I love the detail on the back as well. You know what I'm saying? That's a dope box right there. Now we've got LeBron from Space Jam. So yeah, people, like I said, mixed content, you get me? Basically, I just wanted to show everyone the Offspring Reebok workouts. Shout out to Offspring, head down to Offspring Selfridges if you want to cop these, you get me? They've got 2 colorways as well. There's a grey colorway which is much darker than this. But I just went for the light colorway because I just like the way they look. The toe box is real buttery. And this is real nice. Material, you know. Very clean shoe, man. Very clean shoe. Reebok, the inside is nice and padded as well. I must say that it's much comfier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like, you know, one of them hard shell trainers, but it's not. So shout out to Offspring, 85 quid. You know what I mean? Not everyone got all the extras, but if you was lucky enough to get them, I'm sure you appreciate them as much as I do. But yes, big up everyone watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do all of that, turn on the post notifications, and also follow me on Instagram, Sneakers and Trims UK. You already know what time it is, you get me? And follow my people, them Creps on Creps UK, yeah? You done know. Bless up.